Dastans has been trending at number one on Netflix India since it released. A combination of four short films that explore uncomfortable emotions simmering under fractured relationships. Let's talk to Arman Ralhan, one of the actors who worked on the film, and ask him about his experience.
Like, just tell me, like, what or who inspired you to be an actor?
So I mean, a lot of people, amazing actors that I've been watching growing up. First and foremost, I was just in love with films. But I'd say my first inspiration that I can remember was Mr. Bachchan. Growing up, I remember
Okay.
watching him a lot. So he was, if I have to pick one, I'd say he was my first inspiration to kind of want to be an actor when I was growing up and watching him.
So tell us something about your role in Ajeeb Dastas, and like what all work did you have to put in, like off screen to get into the shoes of the character, and how different was it from Ane in Befikre?
Yeah, so Anayan Befikre, in fact, was like there was not too much of prep really. It was more, getting into shape, looking the part, kind of, and just being casual and natural and that kind of vibe. But for
Yeah.
this part, obviously, it was much further away from anything I am, and further any. So was the physical side, which was Shashank wanted me to bulk up, and he wanted me to play a man, not a boy. So that
Hmm.
was kind of putting on. I put on 5 film in a lot of heavy weights and eating a lot. So there was that side. See, I grew out my beard and my hair also. Um,
Yeah.
there was the dialect, which was the more the vocal part of it, which I had to kind of work with Shashank to find the right balance of not going overboard and true to the region. So that was that, and then obviously was kind of working on the kind of performance part of it, which we did a lot of readings before, and we discussed a lot of ideas and how to place him, like what to do with it. So it was everyone kind of knew, but of course when your co-actors come in, things change a little because you receive things from them and
Obviously.
vice. Yeah, but yeah. So to tell you a little bit about the character, I'd say it's a guy who's kind of he's consumed by a specific goal in his life. There's something that's affected him deeply earlier on in his life, and it's shaping in a big way. So
Yeah.
he's a guy who has tensions, which obviously film go along, but so I'd say he's very like he's like a guy on a mission, and
Hmm.
like with a horse with blinkers on, and to the point where there could be collateral, so but he's not thinking about anyone else except what he wants.
Yeah,
Yeah. So in
the
a nutshell, that's a little
entire
bit about
goal that's driving the character throughout the film. So,
exactly.
yeah. So, how was your experience working with like Fatima and Jaideep sir? Like, both of them have done like amazing works previously. So, like, what was your experience like being a newcomer?
It was really good for me to get the opportunity to work with them.
Yeah,
And just up your game. Half the job is done with
exactly.
these kind of actors. They give you so much, and all you really have to do is be present with the character, and your job is almost done right there.
Yeah,
So again, with Fatima, I think everyone fell in love with her when we saw her in Dangal Country. It was her,
yeah.
Sanya, and all the girls in the film.
Hmm.
So that from Dangal, I wanted to work with her, and I thought she was absolutely amazing. And it was very cool to get to work with her too so early on in my career. And
Hmm.
Jaideep as well. I mean, I've been a fan of his ever since I saw him in Wasipur, of
Yes.
course in Razi. And when we did the film, Patal Lok hadn't come out yet, so
Okay.
he wasn't this national as yet. But I was very excited because Fatima signed on for the film, and Jaideep still hadn't given his okay. I remember
Okay.
telling Shashank I was praying that I got to work with him, and then it worked out, and he was a treat to work with. He was just he was too so like generous as an actor as well, and he never made me feel like I'm not as him either. You know, he gave me that kind of. So his trust in me as well as a actor again just increased my ability to perform.
Yeah, like it definitely it shows on screen that you three had a like an amazing chemistry. So yeah, moving on to the next question, like what kind of roles would you want to explore in the future?
I'm a 90s kid, so I've grown up watching a lot of the mainstream movies, and then as I got a little older, I started discovering world cinema, and Hindi also started changing, and yeah, so I don't really want to box it into any specific role. Fun is to be versatile, able to play different parts and to keep changing it up. So yeah, that's the kind of goal, to be versatile and to keep mixing it up, to surprise the audience and to keep yourself also on your toes and kind of keep doing different things.
Okay, so like being a newcomer, what advice would you give to aspirants who wish to act?
There's so much work now, there's so many opportunities with the web and all of that opening, that like just focus on your craft and believe that there will be opportunity. And I feel like filmmakers and people are looking for new talent, so
Exactly.
just focus on the craft element of it and be as prepared for when that opportunity comes knocking.
Okay. So, we'll do a quick rapid fire round and I'll ask you like 4 questions. So,
Yep.
if you were a color, which color would you be and why?
So it's not a very deep answer. But like blue is one of my favorite colors because I'm a big sports fan, and I just like, to me it's like a soothing color. So blue, I would say.
Blue. Okay. So, like, what is your current favorite song?
Like Wish You Were Here, Comfortably Numb.
So, like, 2 actors that you would want to work with in the future.
2 actors I want to work with. Someone I'd really love to work with, I feel like I'd learn a lot from, is Pankaj Tripathi. I think
Yeah.
another person with, because of the work she's done, is Alia. I think Alia's done some amazing. It would be very cool to
Amazing
work
works.
with her.
Yeah. One thing that makes you feel at peace, like during these times.
I would say what keeps me kind of sane, working out, meditating a little bit, reading, watching stuff, keep me sane crazy times.
Okay, man. So this was a lovely chat, and I would love to see
Like,
your like new work, like whatever you do next. And
thank you.
all right, we'll just conclude the conversation then.